This I'm Billy Auger with Auger Construction. We do finished carpentry is what I've been doing since I was 18 years old. Well, we have like 62 or so employees now. It changes on the day. It goes up one or down one. We've grown this now to where our window divisions, become huge for us. But my passion is, the finished carpentry. We do a lot of custom homes. With the trim side, just simple things is like just a nail. A guy could miss a stud by a 1/4 inch, and then there's a PEX pipe strapped to it. And it doesn't leak that day. It leaks a year when a family's living there, and then it leaks downstairs and ruins their master bedroom clothes or whatnot. That's the fear. It's not always about what you can see, it's what you can't see. And now with us opening up that window division, that's a lot higher liability. So that's a big one too. So it's constantly checking on these guys, making sure everybody's doing things, and knowing that it's not necessarily if, it's more when something's gonna happen. Like people make mistakes. Obviously, do on purpose, so they're called mistakes, but you gotta make sure that you're protected when that happens. I would say, the best thing is I know, like with Sylvia, as far as dealing with somebody, she's been more thorough on everything that she's dealt with us on. Like she goes through everything. I've had my insurance since I've got my license, and I've never had someone give me the time and attention that Sylvia does, as far as like reading through all my contracts, everything, and finding things and finding verbiage. Even when it came to just me leasing the buildings, she was going through. I've never had anyone do that for me before. And that's the big problem I think with other people in the past, is they don't necessarily specialize or understand the industry. They're more just general, whereas she completely understands this, and I think that's why she's referred to me, is because her knowledge in the industry, and it shows for sure. I stay because of the quality I get. And honestly, just like the personalities too. Like she understands me. I can be a lot to deal with sometimes, and I could take 2 weeks to get back to her and everything else, and I'm like, just keep bugging me. I don't get upset, but she's patient, and she's very thorough, and she handles everything like that. And the service and quality that I get here, there's more than a dollar value to that. When everybody promises me cheaper, I'm like, it doesn't matter to me at this point. Like I know I'm getting a fair rate, and the quality and service I get overdoes anything that you could possibly do for me.